my channel. So in this video I'm going to share with you one of my favorite breakfast option, and that is humble poha. Yeah, I love having poha with adrak chai or you can say ginger tea, and both are just perfect combinations. And you can have it for your tiffin as well as you can have it for your evening snacks also. Poha is such a versatile dish, and you can make it more healthier also by adding more and more veggies to it, maybe carrots, beans, whatever, or peas that floats your boat. I have made it in a very simple way with all the ingredients that are available in everyone's kitchen. Another thing is that most of the time what happens, poha doesn't turn out that fluffy, or it become lumpy, but I've shown you how your poha will turn fluffy and non-sticky and well seasoned each time. So do check it the recipe full so that you can make the best poha. Okay, let's check out the recipe. Now to make perfect poha, we need a thick variety of poha, and I am using 24 mantra. You can use any brand of your choice. Now just take 2 or 2.5 cup of poha and add adequate amount of water and gently rub. Don't over rub, and squeeze out the excess water and spread out in a flat surface or a plate. Be very gentle, otherwise poha will become mushy. You need to be little careful at this stage. Now then what you have to do is that you have to add salt, sugar, and half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and keep aside, and the water in the poha will make it fluffy. Okay, then take a karai, add 2 tablespoons of vegetable or any refined oil and let it heat. After that add half teaspoon of jeera or cumin seed and let it splatter. Then you have to add half teaspoon of rye or mustard seed and let it splatter, and then you have to add veggies. Now over here I by mistake haven't added hing, but you have to add a pinch of hing. So as you can see I am adding hing after veggies, but you need to add hing after mustard and jeera seeds. Okay, and in case of veggies you can take any veggies, peas, carrot, potato. I have taken potato and carrots. You can take peas, French beans, then if cauliflower are available at that point, then you can also add cauliflower also. Add little salt so that it cook fast, and add a pinch of turmeric powder and let it cook 80%. Check it whether it is cooked 80%. Then we are going to add 2 medium onions chopped. Okay, and let the onion become little transparent, and after that I will be adding 4 to 5 green chilies. Now these green chilies are slit. You can also add more green chilies as much heat you want. Then I am adding handful of fresh curry leaves. Don't skip on curry leaves, it gives a wonderful flavor to the poha. And after that I'm adding some peanuts and raisins. Now raisins are not used in poha, but I love raisins in my poha, so I'm using it. You can also skip raisins, and then mix it well, and then add the poha that we have kept aside. And as you can see, all the grains of poha are really separated, and they are not at all mushy or clumpy, no. And after that you have to add half lemon juice. I love to add little tang to my poha, so I'm adding one more half, but I think to this amount of poha half lemon is good. Then if check seasoning, and if you want then add little salt and sugar. One thing that you have to keep in mind, that poha tastes good when the salt, sugar and the tanginess of the lemon is well balanced. So mix it very well and your poha will be ready. And as you can see, all the grains are separated, all the grains of poha is good seasoned, because I have added salt and sugar beforehand and let it get mixed up well and get absorbed with the flavor. So serve poha with adrak or ginger tea, and let me know how you think of my video, and do subscribe to my channel if you like my video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.